wouldn't you want them to see it first before they gave you a price?
Absolutely. And honestly, even if it was not such a huge job like a backsplash or, even painting, I'd want them to see.
Probably the biggest mistake in terms of you get into a job and you are quoted a certain amount and it ends up running 20-30% over what you were quoted. Outside of unforeseen things that happen when you open a wall and you find the wood is rotted or something of that nature.
Right.
Outside of that, the biggest way you can run into unforeseen costs is not having an on-site visit. Until you set eyes on that wall, you don't know how much preparation it takes to get that wall ready to paint. So on-site visit, you owe it to your contractor and you owe it to yourself to have an on-site visit before you get that final quote.